start with the name of the god. Hello everyone, right now we are in Haptur City, Business Bay, amazing one bedroom penthouse, and I'm going to show you this apartment which can be yours. So first of all, once we are entering, there is a big hall where you can put your collection of shoes, and right over there we have a guest washroom. Let's go. And right here you will have two meeting spaces where you can meet your guests or maybe business partners. Over there we will have huge kitchen with built-in kitchen appliances. Wow, and there is definitely a lot of space. Also you will have scratchless kitchen top and your oven here, cooker here, built-in fridge, freezer, and yeah, I like how it looks like. Look at this, it's really white and beautiful, and I think it would be amazing to cook here. So if you will go over there, you will have a huge living area with double high floor ceilings and amazing view of the city, Business Bay and canal view. So you can just come a little bit close, put your seats here and enjoy the view. Isn't it amazing? So are you wondering where is the bedroom? It's upstairs, right over there. Let's go. So this penthouse also has amazing view of your backyard with fountains. You can enjoy your two floors apartment. You can have your bedroom over here. This amazing view of living area. And again, notice how spacious it is. And over there you will have built-in walk-in wardrobe with private washroom. So, if you're interested in buying this amazing exclusive apartment, you can find my contacts below.